So Quinn, the other day we were working on our letters. Today we're going to work on our letters and sounds using the Fluency grid. So you remember that the first row is going to be my turn, your turn, and then the rest of the chart is going to be all on you. Are you ready? Okay, and I'm just going to tell you the names of the letters that we're working on and the sounds they make. I'm going to go through the first row first. So just listen to the whole row for me. B, B, P, P, D, D, Q, Qu, Q, Qu. And you'll notice that these two Qs, again, they are both Qs, but this one has a curly tail and this one has a straight tail. Still, they're both Qs, okay? All right, are you ready? My turn. B, B, your turn.
B, B,
P, P,
P,
D, D,
D, D,
Q, Qu,
Q, Qu,
Q, Qu.
Q, Qu.
Great job. Now it's just your turn. Remember, these are the same letters that we practiced up here. Okay? Here you go.
P, B,
P, P.
P, P,
Good.
Q, Qu, B, B,
D, D. Your turn.
D, D,
Good.
B, B,
Good.
Q, Qu, D, D,
Mm-hmm.
Q, Qu, D, D,
My turn. B, B. Your turn.
B, B,
Great.
Q, Qu, P, P, Q, Qu, P, P, Q, Qu, D, D,
Good.
B, B,
So when you say B, B, try not to say B because that's actually saying the BU sound. So B, B. You try that.
B, B,
B.
B.
Good.
Q, wait, D, D,
B, B. You try it.
B, B,
Good.
Q, U, Qu, wait, Q, Qu, P, P,
So P, P. Your turn.
P,
Good.
Q, Qu,
Good.
D, D, D,
Great job.
D, D,
Great.
B, B,
B, B.
B, B,
Good. We call that clipping the sound. We want to make sure that it's just the sound of the B, not a BU.
P, P,
Great.
Q, Qu, Q, Qu.
Nice job, Gwen.